Welcome to PCS Current News Program. The topic of discussion is development projects at Ekta Nagar. PM Modi will inaugurate and lay foundations for several development projects in Ekta Nagar, coinciding with Diwali and the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. These projects, valued over Rs 284 crore, are set to enhance tourism around the Statue of Unity in Kevadia, already a global tourist destination as the tallest statue in the world. Among the new attractions are a bonsai garden, Sardar Sarovar Dam Experience Center, traffic circles, and a sub-district hospital, contributing to both tourism and local development. Major infrastructure developments. Sub-district hospital. Built at Rs 22 crore with a capacity of 50 beds, it offers essential medical services including a trauma center, ICUs, operating theatres, and ambulance services. 2 ICU on wheels will also be introduced to expand emergency care. Traffic management. New traffic circles at key locations and push-button pedestrian crossings are being introduced to streamline tourist movement. Smart bus stops. The first phase of 10 smart bus stops will support eco-friendly transportation and improve tourist mobility within Ekta Nagar. Sustainability and conservation initiatives. 4 megawatt solar project. Built at a cost of Rs 23.26 crore, the solar project will promote renewable energy, aligning with India's sustainable development goals. Sewage treatment plant. A Rs 75 crore plant to handle waste from around 4,000 homes and hospitality sites, ensuring public health and environmental safety. And bonsai garden. A new world-class bonsai garden will celebrate biodiversity and sustainable development, showcasing India's rich cultural heritage in bonsai art. Now is the time for practice question. What occasion coincides with the Prime Minister's inauguration of projects at Ekta Nagar? Diwali, Republic Day, National Sports Day, or Gandhi Jayanti? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching. For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.